The cosmic tale of the Crab Nebula explosion in 1054 AD. A supernova explosion created the Crab Nebula, a bright remnant in the Taurus constellation. Chinese astronomers first recorded the supernova in 1054 AD, leaving a lasting cosmic legacy. The supernova's brightness was visible for 23 days, even during daylight, to the naked eye. The Crab Nebula's explosion ejected massive amounts of energy, affecting nearby interstellar space. Today, the Crab Nebula is a pulsar wind nebula, continuing to intrigue astronomers worldwide. Follow our channel for more cosmic stories from the universe.